Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2015 Honda CB1000R. This motorcycle has just under 10,000 miles on it and has been through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you today, then we'll fire it up for you. The bike's nice and clean. I found a few scratches on it, one little dent in the tank. Doesn't show the telltale signs it was ever tipped over, but you'll have to make that judgment for yourself. Tires on it, still in good shape. Got some decent miles left on them. It's got CRG adjustable levers. And here's the spot I'm talking about. You can just kind of see it here in the tank. Like I said, the rest of the bike doesn't show signs that it was tipped over, but something made that handlebar turn sharp, I believe. Ran off the road or ran into something. We've got powder coated parts, IXIL exhaust, as well as a fender eliminator. Back tire, good shape, decent miles still left on that. And again, there's that powder coating that they had done. And again, adjustable levers. So, like I said, it doesn't show the telltale signs, but that dent in the tank is really strange. Oh, and last but not least, we've got a little dual USB port charger right there. And then 9669 is the mileage on it. This 2015 Honda CB1000R is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it has been through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping. SimplyRideUSA.com.